In figure, the side BC of triangle ABC, the side BC of triangle ABC, in figure, the side BC of triangle ABC is produced to form ray AD, ray BD as shown. Okay, in figure. Okay, in figure. Hello, in figure, the side BC of triangle ABC is produced to form ray BD as shown the figure. Okay, ray CE is drawn parallel to BA. Draw CE, draw CE, draw CE, CE parallel to BA. CE, what?
Produced to form?
The side BC of triangle ABC, the side BC of triangle ABC is produced to form ray BD, to form ray BD. That means this one is extended. Okay. CE is parallel to BA. CE is parallel to BA.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Show directly without using angle sum property of a triangle. Show directly without proving angle sum property of a triangle. Angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle ACD equal to angle ACD equal to angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B, and also find angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree.
So can you repeat from show directly without using angle sum property?
No, wait. Show directly without using angle sum property of a triangle that angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B, and also find angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to, that means and find means from this result, and angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay, draw figure.
So angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B, then
from this result, prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. You want okay, question clear or not? Question finish or not?
yes, sir.
Okay. What you have shown here, I'm calling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First you have show ACD equal to 1 plus 2. Listen, first you have show ACD, that is 4 plus 5 equal to 1 plus 2. Second part, from that result, we have shown that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180. Okay, can you try?
Can you tell from the result?
Yes. From the result, prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. From the result, prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. That's only. Okay, try now. The page closed, no? Summer vacation started, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
GIS also. Okay. Okay, we try this one. Okay. Are you trying or not? Milan, trying or not? Hello, Milan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try.
Fine.
Okay, no problem. Try, man. Niveda, you getting or not?
Yes, sir. Okay. Listen here. Look. Hello. My question. Look. AB parallel to CE. Okay. This line parallel here. So angle 1 equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior.
This alternate interior angle, some guys writing AIA. Your school writing like this. Eh?
No, sir.
So why writing then? Today I saw the note AIA. Last year, your school, they cut the marks because of somebody wrote AIA. Okay. So you cannot write that. What is this one? How can I read? All India Association? You should write alternate interior angles, not with the short form. Okay. Then next, angle 2 equal to angle 5. Why?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 4, alternate interior angles. Angle 2 equal to 5, corresponding angles. Okay, add both. 1 plus 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. That is, 1 is what? A. Angle A plus angle B equal to angle AC.
ACD. Angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. Okay. Angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. Okay, try first. Is it okay? The first part is finished. Clear or not? First part clear or not?
Angle A
Yes, sir.
equals to
Our requirement is what? A plus B equal to ACD. We got A plus B equal to ACD. Right? Correct or not? See,
Yes, sir.
1 equal to 4.
So we can't see
Priyanshu.
the down one.
Priyanshu, what do you doubt?
So I can't see the down
Down. Why?
angle A plus angle B.
Okay. Now, okay.
Yes, sir. Now we can see.
So,
Tell.
so for finding if angle YD, we can use exterior angles.
I can't hear it. I can't hear your voice. I can't hear. What is the problem? Tell me. Why can't you use?
I put in chat.
Hmm. Exterior angle theorem. How can exterior angle theorem straight away finished? No. Karthikaya. Exterior angle theorem, we can say that straight away this is equal to this plus this one. No, that's a question saying without using angle sum property of a triangle. This is exterior angle theorem only because ACD equal to 1 plus 2, nothing to prove. But here show that without using angle sum property, you are show that 1 plus 2 equal to ACD. That's why they're asking. Clear now?
Yes, okay.
Okay. So now one more part. Okay, we got already, look at here. We got angle A plus angle B equal to ACD. Now what do you show? A 1 plus 2 plus 3. Look, angle A plus angle B, adding angle 3 on both sides. Angle 3 plus angle ACD. Okay. Angle 3 plus ACD, how much? Angle 3 plus ACD, how much? 180 degree. Correct or no? Equal to 180 degree. Finish. So that means angle A plus, that is angle A. Okay, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Right. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay, try now. Is it okay, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once again, I tell you, first you write angle 1 equal to angle 4. Exterior alternate angles, alternate interior angles. 2 equal to 5 corresponding angles. Adding 1 and 2, we got angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 4 plus 5. So angle A plus angle B equal to ACD. Okay. After that, adding angle 3 on both sides. Angle A plus angle B plus angle 3 equal to angle 3 plus ACD. And we know that ACD plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. ACD plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So we proved that. Okay. Okay. Now there is a reader one question. We didn't do it, right or not?
Yes, sir. The last question.
Yeah, we are going to do that. Okay. Take the reader, copy that question. Reader, take and copy first. Okay. Just copy page number 108. Page number 108, question number 6. Page 108, question number 6. Okay, try this one. You just copy, draw figure, and write given what you had proved. After that, I'll tell you. Hello. Okay. Copy the question and write given what you have to prove, draw figure, then I'll tell you. Okay. Okay. Finish? Hello, finish or not?
No, sir.
Okay. You just draw figure, then what you have to prove and given, all right. Okay, then I'll tell you. Okay. It's a good question, star question. Okay, so that's why I can not easy question. Okay, finish. Vedant, you want to talk something? Finish or not? Vedant, what do you want to talk? Okay, so I'll explain now. Come on. Finish. Hello, copying finish or not? Did you copy or not? Alicia,
Yes,
finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now look at here. I'll show the proof. The question, look, this is star question. The side QR or triangle PQR. PQR produce a point S. Produce a point S. The bisector of angle PQR. PQR and PRS meet at the point T. Okay. Prove that angle QTR, this angle, equal to half angle P. Half angle P, QPR. This is the question. Figure okay or not? Is it okay? Figure clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have a figure? Milan, you draw the figure.
Yes.
Okay, Georgetown, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Where is that guy? Roshan Raj. Vidant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now look at here. So look, you studied angle sum property. You studied this one, exterior angle theorem, right? Exterior angle is equal to what? Interior opposite angles. If it's a triangle like this angle is equal to this plus this one. You studied that. Exterior angle is equal to interior, sum of the interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay. Look, okay, I'm calling this is X. This is X. This is Y. This is Y. Okay. Because don't write, I'll give the note. RT the bisector. So this angle X is also X. This is Y. This is the bisector. Okay. Now, in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle PRS equal to what? Angle P plus angle PQR. Is it okay or not? This angle equal to this plus this one. Why? Exterior angle theorem. Correct or not? Are you okay?
Yes,
This
sir.
angle, angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. You should write PQR because here, if you just write Q, it can be this one or full. That's right. Here, okay, P we can write, no problem. P, you can write P only. Okay. Then PRS 2x equal to angle P plus 2y. Number one. This is okay or not? Check. Is it okay? Okay or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2x equal to P plus 2y. Okay. Now listen. In triangle QTR. Okay. Niveda. In triangle QTR, which is the exterior angle? In triangle QTR, which is exterior angle?
TRS.
QRS.
Yeah.
QRS. My question.
Yes, sir. TRS.
TRS. Okay. Angle TRS equal to this angle. Look, two lines. This angle plus this one. TRS equal to angle T plus angle TQR. Look at the two lines. This angle equal to this plus this one. That is X equal to, you can see now, X equal to T plus Y, right? X equal to T plus Y. Clear or not? Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But
Yes,
look
sir.
at here. Here 2x. Here only 1x. How to make it equal? Here 2x. Here is only 1x. So multiply throughout by 2. There is no option. If you multiply same number both sides, there is no problem. 2x equal to 2t plus 2y. Number 2. I just multiply here everywhere with the 2. Okay. Now here 2x, here 2x. So equating angle P plus 2y equal to 2t plus 2y. 2y cancel. P equal to 2t. What do you find out? P equal to, okay, P equal to 2t. So that means angle T equal to what? Half of
P. Finish. P equal to 2T. T equal to P by 2. Finish. Are you okay or not? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll give the not complete details, not I'll give you. Then you can check it. If not getting, tell me. This is sure in exam. Okay. Okay. So write. Ready for the write? Okay. Okay. First you write proof. RT is the details you write. RT is the bisector of angle PRS. PRS. RT is the bisector of angle. RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Given in bracket, right? Given. Okay. Let angle PRT equal to angle TRS equal to X. Angle PRT equal to angle TRS equal to X. This is okay, clear up to here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next.
So can I repeat?
What do you have to
Angle
repeat?
PRT is equal to
Angle? PRT equal to what? The figure?
PRT is equal to
What is the figure shows? PRT equal to what?
TRS.
TRS. Okay. Why are you asking me? Like a small kid. You can write yourself.
No, sir,
Okay.
I'm asking the statement.
No. You write angle PRT equal to TRS. That's only. Then write let angle PRT equal to TRS equal to X. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, QT is the bisector of 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 angle PQR. QT is the bisector of angle PQR given. Then let angle PQT equal to angle TQR equal to X, Y. Okay, now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this line, okay, Uditra, read what you wrote so far.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Proof is the bisector of angle PRS given that
What?
proof the bisector of PRS, sorry, angle PRS given let angle.
Forget about that. Only proof only read. Proof.
Okay.
Read.
Okay. Proof is the bisector. That only, sir.
If proof is a bisector, what? Come on. it's not a single line. Okay. Come on. Look. Proof. Then down only don't need proof altogether. Okay. Proof. Then
Sir.
it is just like in our drama. Look at here. Our college time one drama practice. Okay. So we wrote the dialogue to the guys who are all acting as brother, mother, father, and all. Okay. Then these guys all by hearted. Okay. Everything by hearted. Then when the practice started, the father actually supposed to say his dialogue only. Correct or no? Correct or no? Father.
Yes, sir.
He's supposed to say his dialogue. Instead of that, every time he's telling father starting. We 100 times told him, don't say father. Again, he's started father dialogue. Sister, sister, then dialogue. No need that, no. So just role actor, he just tell the dialogue. Not to say father every time. Correct or not? So like that here, proof. Okay, now you read. Okay, forget Niveda, you read what you wrote.
Proof equal to RT is the bisector of angle PRS given. Let angle PRT equal to TRS equal to X. QT is the bisector of angle PQR given. Let angle PQT equal to angle TQR equal to Y.
Okay, now clear now. Uditra. Okay, Uditra, clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Milan, is it okay? Hello, Milan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because this is sure question, sure exam point. Okay, that's why I'm just giving. Okay, okay. Now after that, you write in triangle PQR. Right, in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. Angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Okay. Angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. In bracket, write exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Okay. That is 2x. Correct or no? PRS 2x equal to angle P plus 2y. Call it number 1. 2x equal to angle P plus 2y. You can prove any other method, no problem. Okay, if you studied this one. Okay, maybe Gulf Indian done already this one. DPS also finished. Okay. Now, after that, next line. In triangle QTR. In triangle QTR. QTR. Angle TRS equal to angle T plus angle TQR. Again, write exterior angle theorem. Angle TRS equal to angle T plus angle TQR. Exterior angle theorem. Okay. So that TRS X equal to angle T plus Y. X equal to T plus Y. Okay. Multiplying 2 on both sides, right? Multiplying 2 on both sides. 2x equal to 2t plus 2y.
Sir, I can't see that below.
Hey, you can see now. Everyone can see why.
Sir, x equal to angle t plus y. After that, I can't see down.
Hey, come on, you can see here 2x. Check
Sir, I
your
can't-
screen. Hey, how come everyone can see? Only you? Now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2x equal to 2t plus 2y. 2x equal to 2t plus 2y. Number 2. Okay. Then look at here one where. Okay, one here. From one, right? From 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2. Look at here 1, 2x. Here 2x. We get angle P plus 2y equal to 2t plus 2y. 2y cancel. So that means 2t equal to angle P. T equal to angle P by 2. Finish. P. Okay.
angle P equal to 2T. So T equal to 2T equal to P. So T equal to, not P. T equal to P by 2. P equal to P by 2. Okay. Everyone, before checking, who can read this full proof? Anyone can read? Eh? Can read? Who can read?
Shall I read?
I can
Okay.
read.
Okay, Uditra, then read full.
In triangle PQR, angle PRS equals to angle
Angle
P plus-
PR. Wait, read again.
in triangle PQR,
Hmm.
angle PRS equals to angle P plus angle PQR.
Okay.
Correct, sir?
Okay, correct.
Bracket exterior angle theorem.
Okay.
Then 2x equals to angle P plus 2y. Then you have to write 1.
Okay.
In triangle QTR, angle TRS equals to angle T plus angle TQR.
Okay.
Bracket exterior angle theorem.
Exterior
X
angle
is-
theorem. Okay. Then
X is equals to angle T plus Y. Multiplying 2 on both sides. Then
2x,
X.
2t equal to 2y, right? Number 2. Then
Yes, sir.
from 1 and
Then
2, from 1 and 2 we get angle P plus 2y equal to 2t plus 2y. 2y cancel. So 2t equal to P. Angle T equal to P by 2. Okay. It's clear now, everyone? Clear or not? So anyone
Yes,
doubt? Anyone had doubt? Just go. I'll give you 3 minutes. Just go through it now. Your chance now to check it. Okay. Everyone, just go through the note. Don't waste the time. Check it now.
Sir,
Either.
why,
Eh?
why should we multiply by 2?
My dear, here 2x, here only x. So to make it equal, that's only. Because look at here, we can multiply any number on both sides, no problem. Okay, that's the way. Clear now?
Can we divide by 2?
Yeah, divide by 2 also no problem. Or first one divide by 2. What? X equal to P by 2 plus Y. That also no problem. Same. Okay. If you want divide, look, divide by first one, divide by what you get. Suppose if you divide the first one, X equal to P by 2 plus Y. Okay, equating T plus Y equal to P by 2 plus Y. Straight away you got it. Finish. You can divide also, no, there is no problem. Okay. Clear now? Okay. So next one, also a little tough question. Your radar question only. Okay. Anyway, I'll show this. Okay, just everyone use 3 minutes. Just go through it.
Okay, finish.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. So next question. Next question, little tough question. Okay. Anyway, I have to do it. So star question. Okay. So this chapter is going to finish maybe one or two classes. We'll finish this chapter. Then I start triangle. Okay. Before triangle, I start linear equation. Graph. We will finish because we have class till July 15 now. We'll finish first term full. Okay. So right, the sides AB, AC, the sides AB, the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are produced to P and Q.
Of a triangle ABC.
The sides AB, AC of a triangle ABC are produced to P. The sides AB, look at here. The side AB, AC of a triangle ABC are produced to P. The side AB, AC of a triangle ABC are produced to P and Q respectively. The bisector of angle PBC and QCB. PBC and QCB. The bisector of angle PBC and QCB intersect at O. Okay. Intersect at O. Prove that angle BOC equal to 90 plus
So what is the bisector?
BO and CO are the bisector of BO and CO. BO and CO are the bisector of angle PBC and QCB. Okay. Show that BOC okay.
Okay.
So
Angle
90 minus.
Angle BOC equal to angle BOC equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. 90 minus angle A by 2. 90 minus angle A by 2. Okay. Look at here. Similar one question we did. You remember or not? Hello. Similar one question we did already. You remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Shivan. Shivan. What do you want? Hello, Shivan. Okay. Hello. Similar one question we did. Okay. Similar one question we did. Everyone check first that. Then only I can start this one. Similar one question we did. And what is that? Okay. Then only I can start this one. Okay. Check first that.
Yes, I got the question.
Okay. So what is that? What is that question?
So last.
No, can you read the question? What that
If
question?
the bisectors,
Huh.
if the bisectors of angle ABC and ACB of a triangle meet at a point, show that angle BOC equals to 90 plus angle A by 2.
Okay. So that bisector is internally, right? That is figure like this.
Yes,
Right?
Is it boring?
yes,
Yes, sir.
See or rubber plastic?
We read this books. Need to be practical. This will be
Okay. Look. So this is the figure that, right? Okay. Now here, look. Now here is different, right?
yes, sir.
The previous one is internal. Here is external. Okay. So look. So what we will do? I call X here, Y here, Y here. Okay. Look. Here is X, here X, Y, Y. Then. Okay. My question. Don't start. Okay. Angle PBC plus angle ABC, how much? PBC plus angle ABC, how much?
180.
180 degree. 180 degree. Linear pair, right? Equal to 180.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't write. I'll give the note like previous question. So 2x plus angle ABC equal to 180. Correct? Correct or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Then
then what to do? Okay. Okay. PBC equal to, okay, we got, okay, now 2x equal to 180 minus angle ABC. Agree or no? 2x equal to 180 minus angle ABC. X equal to 90 minus half angle ABC. Number 1. X equal to 90 minus half ABC. Okay. Okay. Now, similarly, this side, 2y plus this one plus angle ACB equal to 180. 2y plus angle ACB equal to 180. Therefore, 2y equal to 180 minus angle ACB. So y equal to, okay, you can see now, okay, y equal to, right here, okay, here, y equal to 2y equal to 180 2y equal to 180 minus angle ACB. So y equal to 90 minus angle ACB by 2. Okay, can you write up to here? Okay. Can you write up to here? Draw figure first. Okay, draw figure and mark it. Okay, just draw figure. Okay, after that I'll give the note. Okay, then write. You mark it X, Y, and all. You mark it, right or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write proof. BO is the bisector of angle PBC. BO is the bisector of angle BO is the bisector of BO is the bisector of BO is the bisector of angle BO is the bisector of angle PBC given. Okay. Let angle PBO equal to angle CBO equal to X. PBO equal to CBO equal to X. Okay. Similarly, angle QCO equal to angle BCO equal to Y. Similarly, angle QCO equal to angle BCO equal to Y. Okay. This line, okay. Niveda, read what you wrote.
Sir,
Read. Hello, read.
So should I read?
Ah,
Is the bisector of angle PBC. Let angle PBO equal to angle CBO equal to X.
okay.
CO is the bisector of angle QCB. Let angle QCO equal to angle OCB
Equal
equal
to
to
Y.
Y.
Or we can add similarly. Okay, that clear all. Everyone clear that part. Okay, now next one, right? Angle PBC, angle PBC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Angle PBC plus angle ABC 180 degree. Linear pair. PBC okay. Okay. PBC, angle PBC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Okay. Angle PBC plus angle ABC on a linear pair. Then 2x plus angle ABC 180 degree. 2x plus angle ABC 180 degree. Then 2x equal to 180 minus angle ABC. X, 2x equal to 180 minus angle ABC. X equal to 90 minus half angle ABC. X equal to 90 minus half ABC. Okay. Next. Right. Angle QCB, right? Angle QCB plus angle ACB 180 degree. QCB plus angle ACB, QCB plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. QCB plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Okay. So 2y plus angle ACB 180 degree. 2y plus angle ACB 180 degree. Then 2y equal to 180 minus angle ACB. 180 minus angle ACB. So y equal to 90 minus angle angle ACB by 2. 90 minus angle ACB by 2. 90 minus angle ACB by 2. Okay. Now look at here. Okay, everyone check up to here. Hello. Just go through, not up to here. Then only you can understand. Do it fast. Okay. So now look at here. Okay. Now listen. In triangle BOC, x plus y plus BOC equal to 180. X plus y plus BOC equal to 180. Why?
angle sum property of a triangle. X what? 90 minus half ABC plus 90 minus half ACB plus BOC equal to 180. Okay, right. Instead of X, you can write 90 minus half ABC plus instead of Y, 90 minus angle ACB by 2 plus BOC equal to 180. Okay, now the 90, 90, 180 cancel. So what do you got now? BOC equal to, this is going here, half of ABC plus half ACB. Okay. Okay, what did I find out? Okay. Now, listen here. We know that A plus angle ABC plus ACB equal to 180, right? Okay, we call this is 1. BOC equal to half ABC plus half ACB. Okay, after that, look at here. Look, I'll show here. Angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 180. Everywhere half. A by 2 plus ABC by 2 plus ACB by 2 equal to 90. Okay. So that means this part, angle ABC by 2, angle ACB by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay. You paste here. BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay. It's clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give the note. Where you reach? I'll give the note. Okay, where you wrote? You got X and Y, right?
So we wrote till y is equals to 90.
Okay, then right. After that, right. In triangle BOC, it is lengthy proof. In triangle BOC, X plus Y, angle BOC equal to 180 degree. X plus Y plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Bracket, right? Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Then ninety minus half ABC plus 90 minus half ACB plus BOC equal to 180. BOC equal to 180. Okay. Therefore, 90, 180 cancel. 90 is 180 cancel. Then write BOC equal to, angle BOC equal to half ABC plus half ACB. BOC equal to half ABC plus half ACB. Call it number 1. Okay, after that, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Okay, everywhere half. Half A by 2 plus half B by 2, half C by 2 equal to 90. Half A by 2, half B by 2, half C by 2 equal to 90. Therefore, B by 2 plus C, B by 2 plus C by 2, B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Hence, BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Check now. Hello, take a time. Take 5 minutes.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, angle BOC equals to minus 1/2 or 1/2 into AB, angle ABC.
What do you have to prove? VOC equal to, what do you have to prove?
So we have to,
Take the question, what do you have to prove?
so we have to
VOC
prove that angle
VOC equal to
equal-
90 minus A by 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So finish now.
Yeah, sir, I couldn't see it properly. Now I can see.
Okay. Check everyone this question. Okay. Okay. Try now. Everyone check the note. Okay, finish. Can I show another method? I'll show you another method. Then you can decide which one is easy. Okay. Look. Look at here. Hello. I'll show you another method. Listen. Let's just work out one new method. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Listen here. Hello. Just listen. After that, you can decide which one you want to continue. Okay. In triangle BOC, x plus y plus BOC equal to 180. Agree or not? X plus y plus BOC equal to 180 degree. Clear now?
Sir?
Hmm.
Sir, do we have to write this other method?
What I told you. Okay, you write the another method. Jamai,
Yes, sir.
you write the another method.
Yes.
Okay, you write. Okay, I'll wait then. You finish it. Okay. If you
No,
finish
sir,
it.
No, sir, I was telling that should we write
How
other
we can
method?
how we can write, man? I didn't explain. No. Then how you can write? I didn't explain to you. Then how you can write? What I told you. You wait, right? I'll explain. After that, you can decide it. You didn't hear that?
Okay.
Okay. So in triangle BOC, x plus y plus BOC 180. Okay.
Then 2x plus 2y plus 2BOC equal to 360. Don't write. Maybe I'll change it. Okay. Maybe I'll change also this one. Okay. Then here, this angle how much? 180 minus 2x plus this angle 180 minus 2y plus angle A equal to 180. This plus this one 180. 180 we cancel it. Okay. So 180 plus angle A equal to 2x plus 2y. Right? Correct or no? 2x plus 2y. Now this is number 1. This is number 2. Now 2x plus 2y, I'm writing 180 plus A equal plus 2BOC equal to 360. Okay. So A plus BOC, 2BOC equal to 180. 180 going that side. So BOC, 2BOC equal to 180 minus A. BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. I think this is easy, no? Right?
Yes, sir. This second method is easy.
Okay, then write this. Now you write. Okay, Niveda, which one which method you did in school? DPS students. DPS, which method done in school? Hello, DPS students.
First method.
First method. What about GIS? Niveda. No GIS students here. ML. Milan. Milan. Which method in school? Niveda.
The second
No.
one.
Eh?
Second one.
Second one. Okay. So right now. Okay. Now second method. You write. In triangle BOC. X plus Y plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Right. In triangle BOC. In triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, X plus Y plus BOC 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Then 2x plus 2y plus 2BOC equal to 360. Call it number 1. I multiply everywhere. 2x plus 2y plus 2BOC to 360. Then angle PBC. Angle PBC plus angle. No, listen. This one 180 minus 2x. Here 180 minus 2y. Okay, right. Angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle A 180 degree. Okay. I'm making maximum short. Okay. ABC, this angle. ACB plus angle A 180. So 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y plus angle A equal to 180. 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y plus A equal to 180. 180 cancel both sides. So 180 minus 180 plus angle A equal to 2x plus 2y, number 2. Okay. Or we can do one thing. Look, we don't want this line. Okay. You got 180 minus 180 minus a equal to 2x plus 2y. So x plus y equal to 90 plus a by 2. Okay. This is enough now. 180, you keep it like this. X plus y plus BOC equal to 180. But now here we got 180 plus a equal to 2x plus 2y. X plus y equal to 90 plus a by 2. Okay. Write this one. 90 plus a by 2 plus BOC equal to 180. Okay. So BOC equal to 90 is going that side minus a by 2. Okay. This is the maximum short. Okay. This is a maximum short. Once again, I tell you, look, listen out, don't write. In triangle BOC, x plus y plus BOC 180. Keep it there. Then ABC plus ACB plus angle A 180 degree. Angle sum property. 180 minus 2x, 180 minus 2y plus A equal to 180. 180 cancel. Then 180 plus A equal to 2x plus 2y. Cut by 2. X plus y equal to 90 plus a by 2. Substitute here. 90 plus a by 2 plus BOC equal to 180. So BOC equal to 90 minus a by 2. I think this is the easiest way. Okay. These both questions are important questions. So that's why we cannot avoid this. Next class, we can finish this chapter. Okay. So after that, I'll start linear equations into variable. Okay, so next one, right? This question done or not? The side BC of a triangle ABC is produced on both sides, so that sum of the exterior angles equal to greater than a by 2 right angles. I think you did, right? You did or not? Hello?
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat, sir?
The side BC of a triangle ABC is produced on both sides. Show that sum of the exterior angles of form is greater than by 2 right angles. Greater than a by 2 right angles. You did or not?
No, sir.
Okay, then, okay. Write this question. The side BC of a triangle ABC. The side BC of a triangle ABC. The side BC of a triangle ABC is produced on both sides. The side BC of a triangle is produced on both sides. The side BC of a triangle, the side BC the side BC of a triangle ABC is produced on both sides. Show that sum of the exterior angles of form, sum of the exterior angles of form, sum of the exterior angles of form is greater than sum of the exterior angles of form is greater than a by 2 right angles. Greater than a by 2 right angles.
So the sum of the exterior angles.
So form Okay. The side BC of a triangle ABC produced on both sides. The side BC of a triangle ABC is produced on both sides. Show that sum of the exterior angle. Sum of the exterior angle so form is greater than by A, two right angles. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you have to show? Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to A plus 180. This is what you have to show. Two exterior angle. 4 plus 5 equal to 4 plus 5 equal to A plus 180. 4 plus 5 equal to A plus 180. Okay, try now. 4 plus 5 equal to A plus 180. Okay, you try now. Okay, you try. Hello, try now. Okay, anybody got? Hello. Hello. Why no one respond today? Anybody got or not?
I'm still doing.
Okay, okay, then I'll wait. Okay. Niveda, you got?
Yes, sir. Okay. Look at here now. So, look here, angle 4 equal to this angle equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Call it number 1. Angle 4 equal to 1 plus 3. Exterior angle theorem. Angle 5. Okay. Angle 5 equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Exterior angle theorem. Is it okay? You got understood? This one understood or not? Look. Our requirement is what? 4 plus 5 equal to a plus 180. Okay. We know that 4 equal to 1 plus 3. 5 equal to 1 plus 2. Add both.
angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 1. Right? Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay. My question, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much? 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much?
180 degree.
180.
180 degree.
180.
Equal to 180 plus angle 1. Correct or no? Now 180 means 290. 2 into 90 plus angle 8. Niveda, you got like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then write. That's all, guys. Right. First write angle 4 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Number 1, exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Then angle 5 equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Angle 2 plus angle 1. Again, exterior angle theorem. Then adding 1 and 2 we get. Adding 1 and 2 we get angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 1. Okay. But 1 plus 2 plus 3, 180. 180 plus A equal to 2 into 90 plus A. 2 into 90 plus A. Okay. Anyone doubt? Check it now. Check it now. Any doubt? Tell me fast. Hello, is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now check
Yes, sir.
check any doubt today's question. There is no new question today. If any doubt, tell me now. Okay, because all tough question today. So next class I'll finish this chapter. So just go through today's what we did. If any doubt, I'll tell you. Okay. Check all the question today's what we did. In case any doubt, I'll clear it now.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, can you tell like what was the answer for the third question in the test?
Third question, the test. What is the question? Third question, read the question.
Yeah, sir.
Read. State and prove angle sum property of a triangle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It is there. We did in the our notebook. Correct or not? Look.
Yes, sir.
First you are write statement. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Then given. So you made a mistake, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Draw a line XY. Okay. 4, 5. Then angle 4. Okay. First you can write angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180. Number 1. Reason what? XY is a straight line. Okay. Then angle 4 equal to angle 2, exterior angle theorem. Then angle 5 equal to angle 3, exterior angle theorem. 4 replace to 2. 1 only. 5 is 3 equal to 180. This is the one. Clear now? Karthikeya.
Yeah, sir.
You made a mistake. That means you didn't learn from our notebook. It is there in the book. Correct or no?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
you have tried 3 times.
Yeah, sir. The question, right? Or the question?
Question now.
So that
How many
was-
mistake you made out of 3?
The one.
Okay, then
Yeah.
okay. You write this only. Okay.
Okay.
So finish everything. Check now this one. Any doubt from the test? Tell me now. If you, I'll explain that. Come on. Anyone had doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So then, okay. So and make sure next class Next class, it will tough question only. So make sure so far we finish. Then all I can do it next question. It's enough today.